Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll share some of the tips and tricks you can try out on the Redmi Y2. So if you have used already Xiaomi's smartphone which comes with MIUI, you might know a lot of features available on this device. So in this video we'll talk about some of the best features and tips and tricks you can try out on this device. So this device comes with Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, and we have MIUI 9.5. So let's open the settings and see some of the options which has been included on this device. So first up, let's go to the display settings. So here we have a couple of interesting options. One is reading mode. So if you have used the Xiaomi smartphone, we already know what the reading mode is. So this will reduce the eye strain while doing prolonged reading on your smartphone. So you can schedule the reading mode. You can have it for a custom time period. If for example, if you're using it for during night time for reading, you can set it for custom time period. Then another option is double tap to wake the screen. So by default this is turned off, so double tap on the screen and this will wake up this display. That's another feature, so we'll just show you that. So this is a double tap to wake feature, so that can be turned on from here. Now let's go to the theme. So here we have the option to download themes. So you can do a bit of mix and match on the themes. So going here, you can see you can find more themes, you can download additional themes and customize the device based on that. Now going to the lock screen and password. So lock screen and password, we have this fingerprint, and you can also do face data. So that means you can enroll for face unlock on this device. So once you have added the face data, face unlock functionality, you can see that there is an option to face unlock when screen lights up. So allow face unlock when screen lights up, so automatically it will unlock the data. You can unlock the device using face data whenever the screen lights up for incoming notification. This may drain the battery, but this will actually be helpful if you want to actually see the notification each and every time a new notification comes up. So that's the face data. Then under the dock screen and password, you can see there is an advanced option. So what it does is there is a pocket mode. That means lock touch gestures when placed inside the pocket. So all the touch gestures will be disabled. That means no automatic calls or any other settings will be opened when the phone is in pocket mode. So that can be toggled from here. Then there is also option to launch the camera by double pressing the volume down button. So that can also be enabled. So if you want to quickly access camera whenever you want to take pictures quickly, you can use this option. Now another feature is the full screen display here. So what it does is we have right now navigational buttons available at the bottom. So this is a with button. So now if you want to use gestures instead of the buttons, you can have this here. So when you enable, you can see there is an option to learn gestures. So learn. So go to the home screen, open recents, go back. So learn. So swipe from the bottom quickly. So that's going to the home screen. Now swipe up and pause. So this is multitasking, and so to go back you can just swipe here, and you can do from this side as well. So this is a go back option. Then there is second space. So second space is creating a completely different space on a smartphone, which is kind of having different apps, different password, different fingerprint. So you can just turn on the second space and create your personal or private area where only access is limited to you. You need to enter the password or pin, and those files will not be accessible to everyone. So that's how you create the second space. So that's another useful option available. Then going to the battery settings. So we have smart scenes option. So apply different power saving strategy for different scenes. So you can see that when MIUI detects that you are sleeping, it will close background apps, restrict Bluetooth, GPS, mobile and Wi-Fi usage, and won't light up for screen notification. So that's smart scenes. So based on your usage or when you are not using the phone, you can save some more battery using that option. Then going to the additional settings, so here we have this quick ball option. So quick ball, once you turn on, you can see that it will have an option available here, a small icon on the screen. So there are some additional options like lock screen, take a screenshot, go back, multitasking. Some options are there, so you can basically customize these shortcuts here. So home, menu, lock, screenshot, back button, so you can just customize it here, and you can actually use this to quickly navigate to some of the options. So that's the quick ball option. Then there are button and just a shortcut. So launch camera, take a screenshot. There is the slide 3 fingers down to take a screenshot. You can launch the Google Assistant, long press and the home button. Then turn off the screen, turn on torch. So these gestures can be set from here. You can also open a split screen, close an app. So a lot of things are there available for gestures and button shortcuts. Then one-handed mode is included, so this is quite self-explanatory. So when you turn this on, you can enable one-handed mode and you can reduce the screen size. So that's one-handed mode. You can have either 4.5 inches, 4 inches or 3.5 inches screen size based on how much screen size you want. So that's the one-handed mode available on this device. Then scrolling further down, you can see there is a dual apps functionality. So dual apps allows you to create multiple instances of the same app. So if you want to log in with 2 accounts, so this is a pretty useful option. If you enable it for Facebook, WhatsApp, you can use 2 accounts simultaneously on your smartphone. So this is available for almost all apps which are installed. That's quite good, unlike a few other smartphones which offer only for social networking apps. Then there is app lock. So app lock is basically you can set a password and lock the app. You can also associate your fingerprint scanner with app lock. That means when you lock an app, unless you enter the password or fingerprint, that app cannot be opened, and that will create in security for your app. So this is particularly useful when you are giving your smartphone to somebody else for short-term usage. So you can lock your apps, for example your social networking apps, gallery, email, everything can be locked, and once you enter the password, then only you can have access to that. So that's the app lock functionality. So these are some of the features available on this device. So apart from that, you also get the security option available. So security has this cleaner. You can have the junk files cleaned on your device. You can clean up cache files, obsolete files, packages, residual files, and files which are not basically used, and you can reclaim storage space. Then there is also option to boost the speed. So if your phone is running a bit slow because of the heavy usage, you can just boost the speed from this option. So these are some of the options available on the Xiaomi's Redmi Y2. So if you are using this device, do try out these features available on the Xiaomi's MIUI, and you can get the better out of your device. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.